Grabe ka dako naman ka. Way ako dinner. Nag-dinner ba dyan gamay, pero I really want to eat mango. I don't know. Chili and salt together. It's not good for you. Too much salt is not good for you. But addicted lang ako sa ano guys. Salt with ano, with chili. Oh. Guys. Yum, yum, yum.